Hi guys, I hope you're all staying home and staying healthy. I know the goal right now is to stay home, but sometimes we just have to get out. And if you've been anywhere lately, you've probably seen some people wearing masks. They're wearing the mask to help reduce the spread of droplets that can come out of a person's mouth when they cough, sneeze, or even talk. These droplets can have viruses and bacteria in them whether you're sick or not. So today I'm going to show you how to make a mask with some materials you probably have lying around your house. So what you're going to need to make your no-sew face mask is a scrap of fabric, or some other things you could use. Could be a bandana, a scarf, even an old t-shirt. If you need to cut some fabric or a t-shirt, you should get your parents involved so that they can get you a size that you need. This size would fit an adult, and it is about 18 by 20 inches. So for a kid, you really wouldn't need that much, but you're gonna want it to be twice as wide as you want the mask to turn out to be. So if you want your mask to be 10 inches wide, you're gonna want 20 inches. You're also going to want 2 rubber bands, or hair bands work fine if you don't have rubber bands. So now that you have your supplies, your first step is going to be to fold your fabric in half. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then you're going to fold it in half again. And now you're going to take your first rubber band and you're going to put it about a quarter of the way in on your fabric. So, right there. And then you're going to take your second rubber band and do the same on the other side and put it about a quarter of the way in. So now you have what looks like a little piece of candy. So now you're going to take your ends and we're going to fold them to the inside. And another thing you can do is you can open up one of your folds, so it has a little pocket right there, and put the other fold inside. See how I did that? So there's a little pocket there. I'll show you again. When you fold this side over, you can open this one up, and there's a pocket. And then fold this one inside of there. And that's it. There is your no-sew face mask. This is what your mask looks like when it's on. You just use the little hair ties to make sure it goes over your ear. Make sure it's covering your nose and your mouth. And that's it. And you can pull it down when you don't need it, and then pull it back up when you do. I hope you guys had fun making your face masks, and for bonus points, ask your parents to post a picture on Facebook.